This is the Valley of Fire. It is one of the places that we go to on our workshop in the Southern Nevada. And I want to sneak up on this artist real quick because she's come the furthest. So let me squeeze in here. So, squeezing. So tell me, where are you from?
Tahi, New Zealand.
You want to take off your glasses so I can see your lovely eyes? There you go. Was it worth coming all the way from New Zealand to do this work?
13,000 kilometers for 3 days?
For 3 days.
Absolutely.
Awesome. So,
Love your work.
well, thank you so much. Hello. How are you?
I'm fine.
So, what's your name?
My name is Cheryl,
Cheryl, and where are you from?
Harrison, Arkansas.
Harrison, Arkansas. And are you having a good time with
I
this work?
am. I really am.
And are you learning things?
A lot.
A lot of things, a lot of great people.
Yes.
Good morning.
How are you?
I am wonderful. How about you?
I'm awesome. So, are you enjoying yourself?
I am having the time of my life.
And where are you from?
Harrison, Arkansas.
Have you ever been out to the West Coast?
I have never been out west. This is my first time across the Continental Divide.
That's awesome. And are you having a good time?
I am really having a wonderful time. It's super exciting.
I'm going to peek at your painting real quick.
Okay. It is definitely a work in progress.
It is. It's the beginning. Hello. Who are you? Tell everybody who you are.
Hi there, I'm Kirsten from Alberta, Canada, and my passion is for outdoor landscape painting.
And how do you like the workshop?
It pushed me out of my comfort zone into something amazing and difficult and totally worthwhile.
Let's take a look at your painting real quick. I don't know if you could see that. So tell me, what is it like to paint in Nevada? Because a lot of people think, oh God, you're going to go paint in Vegas. Why would you want to paint in Vegas?
Well, this is not my home ground for sure, but it's something different, and it's still, so it gives me that injection of inspiration to see something new, to come up with new color combinations, it's an inspirational thing.
Yeah. Do you find that now after coming here, you have a different view of Southern Nevada and Las Vegas?
Definitely.
Awesome. Awesome. What you do? Come again?
I would.
Awesome.
I would.
Okay,
Yes.
so if you're interested in coming to our workshop, you can go to my website at stefanbaumann.com, and there you'll see a registration. If you want to make sure that you can get invited to these workshops, just fill out for the free book, which is downloadable, and maybe you too will be joining us at one of these workshops.